midnight just yet, Mya.
I know. I'm just practicing for when we say Happy New Year! New Year? Yes, Sammy. We're staying up late because at midnight today turns into tomorrow, and the whole new year will start again. Huh?
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. You get used to it.
Now, Sammy, we have to stay awake, okay? Uh-huh. Sammy, wakey.
Do you think you'll make it to midnight this year, Mya?
Yes, I'm not even the teensiest bit tired.
You say that every year.
This year, Sammy and I are going to be wide awake, and I'm going to be the first to say Happy New Year! Mama, what do you usually do on New Year's Eve when we fall asleep?
Mostly we stay home, have our own little party and wait for midnight.
What happens then?
We watch the fireworks and we have our own New Year's Eve tradition.
That's right. This is the Go family cuckoo clock.
What's a cuckoo clock?
A cuckoo clock has a little wooden bird inside, and every hour it pops out to tell us that 1 hour has gone by. It sounds like this. Cuckoo, cuckoo.
Ooh! It looks very old.
It is. That's why we only take it out once a year. It's been in the Go family for a very long time.
It's not ticking. Does it need some new batteries?
This clock doesn't use batteries. We have to wind it up and set the time so that it cuckoos 12 times at midnight tonight.
But as we wind, we always try and think of 12 wishes for the new year. One for each hour.
Can you think of 12 wishes?
Got them.
That was quick. All 12.
Easy. The cuckoo! That means it's midnight.
I knew the old Go family clock wouldn't let us down.
I think all my wishes are going to come true.
Really? All 12?
Yes, because I wished for the same thing 12 times. I wish that I would be awake long enough to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mya Go.